Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
Did you fire? Did you fire? Did you fire? Going through my phone.
Now what we're going to do is discuss the temperature and pressure on solubility of solids and gases. So first what we have here is the effective temperature on the solubility. So here we have solids, here we have gases. What we can see here is for solids that as we increase the temperature, the solubility of the solid increases. This is because, for example, if you put salt in water and you increase the temperature, the water has more kinetic energy. And that kinetic energy allows the bonds of the salt, Na and Cl, to break apart easily, and it can dissolve more. For gases, we see the opposite effect. If you increase the temperature, the solubility of the gas decreases. This is because if you have, for example, oxygen and water, and you increase the temperature, you're exciting the oxygen, and it turns into a vapor and escapes. This is actually why in deep, colder waters, you'll see more fish, is because there's more oxygen dissolved in the water. In our last clip, we had the effect of temperature on solubility. Now we have pressure. So now let's look at our solids. When you increase the pressure, solubility does not change. This is because if you had salt water and for some reason you added more air on top of it, it wouldn't really affect how much salt can dissolve. So we can say that pressure really has no effect on the solubility of solids. However, we can see that pressure does affect the solubility of gases. As you increase the pressure, the solubility of the gas increases. This means more gas can dissolve. This makes sense because if you had, for example, air dissolved in some water and you increase the pressure on top of the air, the oxygen would not turn into vapor and escape. It would constantly be pushed down and turn into more dissolved gas. We can summarize the effect of temperature and pressure on solubility on this little matrix. So we have solids, gases, temperature, and pressure. So we have solid and temperature. If you increase the temperature, the solubility of the solid increases. That's an up arrow. If you increase the pressure on a solid, there is no effect. It's negligible. Now let's look at gases. If you increase the temperature of gases, remember the gas molecules want to escape, so the solubility will decrease. But if you increase the pressure on a gas, remember more gas is forced down into the liquid and solubility increases.